I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day. Every hear the people laughing, smiling. Baby, I'm falling for you. Happy.
Oh, I get your head out of your ass. I mean, we have never, especially when it comes to film. You know, the thing I always say about making movies, if you want to be a writer, you need a pen and a piece of paper. If you want to be a painter, you need paint and a canvas. But historically, making videos has been this untouchable thing 'cause it's so expensive. And now, if you have a cell phone in your pocket and an internet connection, you can film a movie and then distribute it to the world.
Bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, please keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of the safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not...
Every